Residents of Ward 42 of the Siliguri Municipal Corporation protested and stalled the work in progress for acquiring land for a third crematorium for the city. After the crematorium at the Mahananda Bank has become overloaded, the authorities decided to acquire land for a third crematorium to reduce the load. The second crematorium situated in the outskirts of the city has been taken over by the government to cremate bodies of those who died due to COVID-19. This has increased the pressure on the only other electric crematorium in the city. The residents of the ward refused to budge from their protests till the government started looking for land somewhere else. They did not want a crematorium set up in their vicinity.
देखें, यहाँ पे देखिए विरोध का आम जनता के घनी आबादी के बीच में जो सुनने में आ रहा है शमशान घाट बनाने की तैयारी चले, उसी के लिए आज साफ सफाई करने के लिए प्रशासन के तरफ से और कॉर्पोरेशन की तरफ से आए गए थे। जनता का मांग है कि यहाँ पे शमशान घाट ना हो, क्योंकि ये घनी आबादी है, यहाँ 1 से 1.5 लाख आदमी रहते हैं। घनी आबादी के बीच में शमशान घाट बनेगा तो जनता परेशान होगी। सरकार किस लिए होती है? जनता को सुविधा देने के लिए। अगर सरकार जनता को परेशान करेगी तो जनता क्या करेगी? जनता के बात में कुछ नहीं, जनता शांतिपूर्ण आंदोलन करेगी। और पुलिस से हम लोग का मांग है कि पुलिस अभी यहाँ से दूर चले जाए।
The Special Operations Group of the Siliguri Metropolitan Police, on a tip-off, raided a hotel in Siliguri and arrested 5 members of an illegal gambling racket, and who made payments online to divert the attention of the authorities. The accused, also included a woman, had violated COVID-19 guidelines. Liquor, playing cards, poker coins and a media player were recovered by the police. The accused were produced at the district court. A wild elephant entered a human habitation near Fulbari at a tea garden last night. The animal allegedly broke into several homes looking for food, driving out the occupants in panic. This morning foresters were called in, who managed to drive the animal back into the forests after a couple of hours. Curious and frightened residents of the area waited and watched the foresters doing their job. They finally breathed a sigh of relief after the elephant was driven away from their garden. The Siliguri Metropolitan Police arrested 2 members of a criminal gang late Sunday night. They managed to extract information from the members of the same gang arrested earlier. The police have been trying and have been successful in making a number of arrests of miscreants involved in criminal activity in the past few weeks. The gangs are taking advantage of the night curfew to commit crimes during the restrictions imposed by the government.
Atul Roy, the founder of the Kamta Puri People's Party, died of COVID on the 9th of June. Chief Minister Mamta Banerjee sent her minister Arup Biswas to call on the family of the leader. He was there to meet the family and pay his condolences on behalf of Mamta Banerjee. He also assured the family of the full support of the Bengal government. Youth Congress leader Rohit Tiwari accused the BJP and the RSS of laundering money, using the Ram Mandir as a shield for their activities. He accused the 2 parties of cheating the citizens of the country. The Youth Congress supporters held a sit-in demonstration and protested at the Venus Mall.
Jai Jobda, Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram, Jai Jobda, Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram, Juvakane Jilapad, Jilapad, Jilapad. आज राम मंदिर के नाम पे पूरे देश में भारतीय ठगवा पार्टी बीजेपी और आरएसएस सिर्फ भ्रम फैला रही है। लोगों द्वारा, आम लोगों द्वारा जो चंदा दिया जा रहा है उसका हिसाब कौन देगा? आज तक पीएम केयर फंड का हिसाब मोदी जी नहीं दिए। आज तक पूरे देश को सिर्फ बेचने का काम किए। अब राम के नाम पर भी छल, इससे गंदा काम क्या हो सकता है? तो हम लोग सीबीआई जांच की मांग करते हैं और हमारी मांग है कि जमीन के नाम पर जो घोटाला हुआ है, कि जमीन के नाम पर जो घोटाला है, जो लोग चंदा दिया है, जमीन के रूप में जो दान दिया जा रहा है, हर एक देशवासी को पता होना चाहिए।